Okay, so now we're going to learn the intro. It's going to start off with a walk from the dominant to the tonic with the left hand. We're in C minor. We have these staccato notes, and then we switch to the thumb on the C. After you hit that thumb, bring the right hand in and outline a C minor chord with fingers 3 and 5. That left hand is just going to go back and forth between C and G. Okay, so continuing off, this right hand is going to outline this C minor chord doing staccato notes. Then we're going to move up and outline a D major chord. Now we're going to move down and outline a B flat minor chord. And lastly, we're going to outline a C major chord. Okay, so now we're going to learn the left hand part. Use the thumb and the fourth finger to do C and G, the thumb and the third finger for this D and A, and then this fifth finger for that low D, and now thumb for this B flat, fourth finger F. We're going to do thumb for the C, third finger for the G, and thumb and pinky for the two Cs. Okay, so now we're going to put the hands together. So this first chord is going to be a C minor chord. This second chord is going to be a D major chord. And we're hitting the lower octave D right here with the pinky. Then we're going to go to B flat minor. And lastly, we're going to go to a C major right here. Okay, so now time to learn the right hand. This first chord is going to be an F minor chord, using fingers 1 and 3, and then a G major chord, 1 and 3 as well. Now E flat minor chord, and we're going to finish it off with an F major chord. Okay, so now left hand. F C, F C, 5-1, 5-1, G D, G D. E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, and then F, C, F. Okay, so now we're bringing hands together. Notice that the left hand is always doing fingers 5 and 1, and the right hand's always using fingers 1 and 3. Okay, so right here the chord is G major. Then we're going to move down here to E flat minor. Make sure you don't forget those staccatos. Lastly, we're going to move back to F, but we're going to do it in major this time. Okay, so let's do a quick review of everything we've learned so far. For these next 4 chords, your right hand is only going to be using fingers 3 and 5. And getting ready to come up are the next 4 chords where your right hand will only use fingers 1 and 3 and your left hand will only use fingers 5 and 1. Move to the E flat minor and finish off with the F major. Okay, for the first part of this exercise, you want to start with finger 4 on the G. Go down an octave, use finger 4, but put it on the F. Okay, so you want to start with hitting these G staccatos with finger 4. And then start with the thumb on the C. Now hit this B natural with the second finger. Okay, so now we're going to put these hands together. Do this scale, catch it with the thumb, cross over the right hand, catch that B natural with a 2. And now let's do some body drumming. Right, left, right, clap, cross, right, left, clap, right, left, clap, cross, right, left, clap. Stomp the foot on the quarter note while doing the scale down. Continue stomping on the quarter notes as you go back to this A section. Okay, so now we're going to do everything we've done so far. Here's the C minor chord. Then we go to D major. Then up here to the B flat minor. Then to the C major. Then we're going to go F minor. Now let's go to G major. Okay, now E flat minor. And finish it back off with the F major. Hit this G, left hand staccato. Now let's get this big scale passage. Catch this with a 2. Here's the part. Right, left, right, clap, cross, right, left, right, clap, A, right, left, right, clap, cross, right, left, right, clap, A, left, left. This is like the beginning. Okay, so let's learn this coda. Start with the 4th finger on this G. Then you're going to switch to the 4th finger down an octave on the F. Now use the 2nd finger on this G to A flat. And then switch to the 5. And then scale down the C. Okay, so now the left hand part of the coda. Catch these G's with your 4th finger. Catch the C with your thumb. Catch this B natural with the 2nd finger. Do G, A flat, G starting from the 3rd. Switch to the thumb. Scale down and then finish with an open 5th. Okay, so here's how this coda sounds. Now set up these fingers. Switch. C minor.